if you need to insulate your freeze dryer, you're going to need this. So Harvestite freeze dryer, and I'm guessing other ones too, they come with a gasket, and the gasket sits on the drum. And usually there's a space back here, and what will happen sometimes is you'll have to pull the gasket a little forward a tiny bit before you close the door, because you're looking for a seal all around. But what tends to happen is there's a space here then, and the actual drum of the freeze dryer sticks out, or is at least accessible to air. And if you're in a humid environment, what tends to happen is condensation accumulates on that, rolls around the drum, comes to the bottom and drips down here. And in my case, because this is sloped back, the water tends to run back there. So I don't like that. So I've seen people use like bubble wrap and things like that. This works good and it's easier. So you're going to get backer rod. That's what that is. That's what all this is. Backer rod is used when you're caulking and you want to fill the space first. Instead of just filling it all with caulking, you fill it with this cheaper stuff. So it comes in 3 thicknesses that I'm aware of. This is 1/4 inch. This is probably half. And this is 3/4. Too thick for what we need. I tried the 1/4 inch in here and it was too much. It compressed down. Here it is. It compressed down and just got too small. And it wasn't useful then. The 1/2 inch is a little bit too big, but it'll probably compress down a tiny bit and then it'll fit. So you're going to look for backer rod. It's a foam product. It comes in like 25, 50 foot lengths. All you need is probably about 1, 2, 3 feet. Get a piece, measure it out, and then, so go around the whole thing. You're going to take the gasket off first. Go around the whole thing, and then cut a tiny bit more off than you need. So leave a little gap between the 2 ends. Then you're going to take a piece of tape, like I did here, and you're going to join them, but butt the 2 ends together when you join them with the tape. So lay the tape flat, put the 2 ends, and roll the tape over it. So what that's going to make it is a gasket that's a little snug. Put it right onto here. I put my little seam back here, so fewer people see it, so it doesn't look ugly. Yeah, I'm a very vain person. And the gasket stays in place. The backer rod gasket stays in place. And then I put the actual gasket on over it. It pushes the gasket out a little bit, which works well for me because, as you can see, now I got a nice seal all around. And that's it. It's quick and it's easy and it's really not expensive. Backer rod shouldn't cost you much. I'm sure you can get it on Amazon too. Questions? Leave them in the comments.